Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a super quick Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned. Okay, first thing are the So Natural freeze-dried strawberries, one of my daughter's favorites right now. We definitely need bookends, so I was excited to find these, and these are metal, which is really nice. I feel like these are really going to work well. Another spray bottle, and I also bought some more spray bottles in the beauty section. I was looking for metal spray bottles last week, so happy to find those. I kind of think this is cute. What do you guys think? Wouldn't this look cute on a vanity or with plants in here? I'm sure other Dollar Tree people have done projects with this. It's a Trifle container. It's in the party section. It's plastic. And I was also looking for the microfiber towels. I saw the really big white ones, but I wanted to get these instead because they're 2 per pack. And I've used these before with success. Also bought a couple packages of the string lights. These are the pineapple. I'm going to be doing a DIY project and I'd like to give this a try. It's the Beacon Foam and Poster Board Adhesive. These are the Aroma Guru essential oils. I like that these have droppers. Going to give this a try. It's the SGX NYC Under Control medium hold finishing spray. I looked these up online. They're definitely over $1, but I only bought one because I wasn't sure how good it actually is. Same goes for this product. It's the Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Peel Off Mask. Bought some shelf liner for an organizational project, and I was hoping to find something like this. It's a tool set with a variety of sizes for the heads for this part. There is a knife in the middle there, which honestly I probably won't use that, and then some regular small screwdrivers. My daughter loves using straws, but I hate using the plastic. We have reusable straws as well, but this looks like a nice thing to try. It's the compostable straws made from plants, eco-friendly, 100 straws per box, which is pretty nice. And this is that Every brand, EVRI. I don't know if I'm saying that right. They've had other items in the Dollar Tree over the past few years, like in the drinking cups and things like that. Lots of people have been hauling this. Is it any good? Tell me, tell me, tell me. I rarely wear lashes, but I thought it would be fun just to try this, just to see what it would be like. Aria loves giraffes, and she has an upcoming project in her class on the grassland, so staying in theme, I thought we would do a little painting project with this wooden giraffe. And I love how these are so thick and they stand really well. We are working on time and counting money in math class, and my daughter loves Disney, so I thought this would be interesting to her. This is from the gardening section. It's a knee pad, but I think I'm actually going to put that in the fitness room. Also in the room will be some Fiji Waters, and I love tagine, but I've never tried this. It's the peach rings, chili and lime flavored. And yay, I found more sun catchers. I was looking for those big kits again. It's Ariel, Belle, Jasmine, and Cinderella. Bought another one of these between the 2 wizard scents that I had bought before. This one is definitely better, in my opinion. We have been using this in the fitness room. 3 canvases. Gonna be doing a little project there. And for my daughter's medication area, I bought a frame. This is a portrait layout, 8 by 10. This will display her current medications. I needed a frame that I could easily get in and out of because the meds change all the time. All right, that's it for my little haul. Let me know what goodies have you found this week at Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care.